Good morning, welcome to EduMath. So welcome to the 10th standard classes. So we have been discussing public examination revision classes. So in the part of that, yesterday we had a discussion up to 1 mark questions. We have completed 13 questions, I think so. Yes, we should check once again. Yes, 13 questions. So now today we shall have the discussion. We talk about 2 marks questions. 2 marks questions. Sometimes it may be 4 marks weightage also. 2 marks questions. So welcome you all. Welcome you. So 14th question. Check whether the equations 3x plus 2y equals to 5 and 6x minus 4y equals to 10 are consistent or inconsistent. Consistent or inconsistent. So for whatever it may be, whether it is consistent or inconsistent, the test is same. So first, from the given equations, first we are able to write a1, b1, c1 values and a2, b2, c2 values. Then find a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So after finding a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, then using the conditions we need to decide whether they are consistent, the equations are consistent or inconsistent, we need to say. If they have unique solution or many solutions, then we say that consistent. No solution means inconsistent. No solution means inconsistent. So that we need to do it. So let us proceed for that one. Solution. Given data. Okay. First, what is given? 3x plus 2y equals to 5. So this can be written as, now transpose 5 to the left hand side. We get 3x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. Say this is equation 1. So now next equation is 6x minus 4y equals to 10. Similarly, transpose 10 to the left hand side. We get like this now. 6x minus 4y minus 10 equals to 0. Say this is equation 2. Now from 1 and 2 here, see, from the first equation a1 equals to 3. Don't write 3x, 3. Coefficient of x is a1. So b1 equals to 2. Now the c1 equals to minus 5. This given data you need to write very carefully. And next, from the second equation a2 equals to 6. Now b2 equals to minus 4. b2 equals to minus 4. Okay. And next c2 equals to, we have minus 10. Now first we need to find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. So let us find out first. So now let us find out a1 by a2 value. a1 by a2 equals to, that is 3 upon 6. So 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 1 upon 2 comma next b1 by b2 find out. So b1 by b2 equals to b1 equals to 2, b2 is equal to negative 4. So this is minus 1 upon 2. Next c1 by c2 find out. c1 by c2 equals to, that is minus 5 by minus 10, minus minus cancel, 5 1 ja 5 2 ja 1 upon 2. But only this, first compare the a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. What do you observe? Here we observe that a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, whereas this minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 does not equal to minus 1 by 2. So that means we have here a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. So go back, yesterday we have discussed the concept. See, a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. Unique solution, number of solutions is equal to 1. Consistent, so they are consistent, or geometrically we can interpret as intersecting lines. So since a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, then we say that it has a unique solution or they are consistent. So that we can conclude. So now we need to write like this, therefore so it has a unique solution. Unique means one and only one solution. Unique solution, and they are consistent. They are consistent. Is completed. You might have understood this question. I think you might have understood question. Once again you practice it. Now let us move to the 15th question. Question number 15. Are you ready? So look at the screen, all of you, carefully. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if the pair of equations 5x plus ky plus 8 equals to 0 and 10x plus 14y plus 12 is equal to 0 has no solution. That means they are inconsistent also. Even sometimes instead of no solution, inconsistent may be given, but same procedure need to be applied. Here what we need to find out, we need to find the value of k if the pair of lines 5x plus ky plus 8 is equal to 0, 10x plus 14y plus 12 is equal to 0 has no solution or inconsistent. Already given no solution means, so go back here, see, no solution means a1 by a2, sorry, no solution means a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2. So this condition we need to use, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. This condition we need to use, right? Now first given data write down, that's very important. What is the given data? Do you have the idea? Yes, you might have the idea. Yes, see, given data, so 5x plus ky plus 8 equals to 0. Say equation 1 this is. Next is 10x plus 14y plus 12 is equal to 0. This equation 2. Here unknown value k is there. K we need to find out since it has no solution also given. Here first a1 write down. A1 means coefficient of x in the first equation 5. So you try to write down yourself also in the chart box. So b1 equals to k, c1 equals to 8. Next from second equation a2 equals to 10, b2 equals to 14 and c2 equals to 12. And next it has no solution. It has no solution. It has no solution means the condition is that implies a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 equals to, otherwise you find a1 by a2 b1 by b2 also. After that you can write it. So that's a better idea. Now for any problem first you find a1 by a2. What is a1 by a2? 5 upon 10, that will be 1 upon 2. Okay, next b1 by b2. b1 by b2 equals to k by 14. So next c1 by c2 write down. That is 8 upon 12. 8 upon 12 means 4 2 ja 4 3 ja. So that means it's very clear a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 does not equal to c1 by c2 because 1 by 2 is not equal to 2 by 3. So it has no solution means we can write now since it has means system or a pair of linear equations. It has no solution or inconsistent. That implies a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. So substituting respective values, what is a1 by a2? See, a1 by a2 is equal to, here we have a1 by a2 is equal to 1 upon 2, b1 by b2 is equal to k upon 14, k upon 14. So 1 upon 2 equals to k upon 14. Cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means you multiply like this. So now what do we get? 2 into k, 2k equal to 1 into 14, 14. Now we need to find out k value. K equals to 14 divided by 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 7 ja. So 7. So therefore k equals to 7. This is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. This is the 15th question. Now let us move to the question number 16. Question number 16. Question number 16. For what value of m, for what value of m, the pair of equations x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0 and 2x plus my minus 7 equals to 0 has unique solution. This is the question. So now let me read the question once again. For what value of m the pair of equations x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, 2x plus my minus 7 is equal to 0 has unique solution. For what value of m the pair of equations x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x plus my minus 7 is equal to 0 has unique solution. So the what sort of method need to be adopted? So what is the method need to be adopted here? So first given data write down. So after writing the given data, write down comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Write down the respective values a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2. Then find a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Since it has unique solution, this is a keyword in the problem. Unique solution means a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. Substituting and then such that the respective values of m can be evaluated. Okay. Now let us write now solution. Given data, right? Given data x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. So after me you try to read out the question also, very important. Read the question comprehensively and understand the question and what is the given data write down. So process need to be remembered in your mind. So next 2x plus my minus 7 equals to 0. This is second equation. Here from the first equation don't write x. Before x means 1, coefficient is 1. a1 equals to 1. Now b1 equals to 2. c1 equals to minus 3. Understood all of you? Now you can expect a2 value. a2 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to m and c2 equals to minus 7. Now find a1 by a2. a1 by a2 equals to 1 upon 2. Find b1 by b2. 2 upon m. c1 by c2. Minus 3 upon minus 7. Minus minus cancel, 3 upon 7. So here unique solution. Unique solution means go to the condition. What is the condition? See, yesterday we have discussed it. So unique solution means a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. This condition we need to use. a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. This condition we need to use. Okay. So now let us make use of this condition now. One minute, let me write. Yes, 16th question. a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by m. Since it has a unique solution, right? So a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. This is implies symbol. So now a1 by a2. a1 by a2 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is 1 upon 2 does not equal to 2 upon m. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication m into 1 m does not equal to 2 into 2. So therefore m does not equal to 4. This is the answer. M does not equal to 4. So you might have understood this question now. Now the 17th question. 17th question. Let us move to the 17th question. Find the value of k. Find the value of k. Find the value of k if the pair of equations x plus 3y equals to 6 and 4x plus 12y equals to k has infinitely many solutions. That means consistent also and many solutions. It has many solutions. So now you need to do even your textbook problems also, same model you complete it. So after completion of this session or episode, after watching this episode, you are able to solve any problem from any textbook, any model also you are able to do it. All the problems I have been discussing, so you are going to learn all the models also. Try to practice from your respective textbooks. Find the value of k if the pair of equations x plus 3y is equal to 6, 4x plus 12y is equal to k has infinitely many solutions. So first of all, let us write here given data. So what is the given data? Yes, you are correct. The given data is, first let me write the first equation. X plus 3y equals to 6. Bring 6 this side or transpose 6 to the left hand side, so that we get x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Say equation 1. Now the second equation, that is 4x plus 12y equal to k. Transpose k to the left hand side, so that we get 4x plus 12y minus k equals to 0. This is second one. Now here a1 means x coefficients, very important. Don't write x coefficient, numerical value only, number 1. So b1 equals to 3, y coefficient. c1 equals to minus 6. Here very important a1 value. We check it now. From the second equation, see, a2 equals to, very simple, directly we can write 4, x coefficient of x is 4, b2 is equal to 12, c2 is equal to minus k. Do you have any doubt? I think no doubt at all. Clear? So now we need to find out a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. So now let us find out a1 by a2. So what is a1 by a2 here? a1 by a2 equals to 1 upon 4 b1 by b2. See, b1 by b2 equals to, b1 by b2 is equal to 3 upon 12, that will be 1 upon 4. Okay. Next, c1 upon c2. c1 upon c2 is equal to, c1 upon c2 means you have, that is actually minus 6 upon minus k, minus cancel, 6 upon k. So it has infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. That means consistent also. That implies A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So A1 by A2 is 1 by 4, B1 by B2 is also 1 by 4, C1 by C2 is equal to 6 by K. That means indirectly 6 by K is equal to 1 by 4. So 6 by K equals to 1 by 4. Cross multiplication. So therefore cross multiplication means you can multiply like this, K into 1 and 4 into 6. So that equals to, we have K into 1K, 6 into 4, that is 24. So therefore K equals to 24, the value of K is. Right. Next, this is the problem, 17th problem we have completed. So good morning once again all of you. Good morning. Okay, you can share to your friends also, like, subscribe and share to your so many friends so that they will get benefit from our classes. So now I shall move to the 18th problem. 18th problem. 18th problem. So all of you try to concentrate. 18th problem. Solve the pair of equations. The pair of equations. After completion of this session, also in offline session, you watch once again. If you have any doubt the problem regarding the problems, you watch once again. Solve the pair of equations x plus 2y minus 16 equals to 0 and x minus 2y equals to 2 by substitution method. Substitution method. So we have actually the two methods, substitution method and elimination method. These methods are very important. Very, very important question. You practice from your textbook also. This model you need to practice. Right? Solve the pair of equations x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0 and x minus 2y is equal to 2 by substitution method. So let me explain how to solve this one. Solution. First, given data. Here x plus y minus 16 equals to 0. So this we can write like this, x plus y is equal to, bring minus 16 to this side. Which side? Right hand side. 16 minus 16 becomes plus 16. Say equation 1. Already the second equation is x minus 2y equals to 2. This is second equation. Substitution method means, so from equation 1 now, from equation 1, this y can bring x this side, transpose x to the right hand side. So we get y equals to 16 minus x. So substituting y is equal to 16 minus x in equation 2, so that it is called substitution method. So substituting y equals to 16 minus x in equation 2. So that means in the place of y, second equation, write down 16 minus x. So that means we are going to get like this. That implies x minus 2 bracket equals to how much we have, is equal to 2. But instead of y equal to 16 minus x, in the place of this bracket 16 minus x, write down. So if you simplify, you will get the value of x. See, let us simplify it. Open the bracket, minus 2 into 16 minus 32. Because 16 into 2 is 32, minus into plus minus. Minus 2 into minus x is plus 2x equal to 2. Now 2x plus x is 3x, minus 32 equals to 2. That means we get a linear equation in one variable. It's called linear equation in one variable. Bring 32 this side. 3x equal to 2 plus 32. So this is 34. We need x value. X equals to 34 by 3. Already we know the x value. If you substitute x is equal to 34 by 3 here, we get the y value. So now substituting x is equal to 34 by 3 in y is equal to 16 minus x. So that implies y equals to 16 minus 34 by 3. Understood now? So now here 3 is the LCM. 16 into 3 is very important. 48 minus 34. So you get 8 minus 4, 4. 14 by 3. So y equals to 14 by 3. So therefore x is equal to 34 by 3 and y equals to 14 by 3. Hence it has been solved. So this method is called substitution method. Substitution method. Let us move to the next problem. This is 18th problem. So now 19th problem. 19th problem. So let us do the 19th problem now. Solve the pair of linear equations. The pair of linear equations 5x minus 3y equals to 1 and 2x plus y equal to 7 by substitution method. By substitution method. Substitution method. Okay, let us do one more problem also. But once again, so I suggest you all and I direct you all better go through your textbooks problems also. You need to practice from do this, try this and think and discuss questions also. From exercise problems also. Regarding to the substitution method, you need to practice more. Solve pair of linear equations 5x minus 3y is equal to 1, 2x plus y is equal to 7 using substitution method. So let us proceed for the solution now. Solution. Here given data. Write 5x minus 3y equals to 1, say equation 1. 2x plus y equals to 7, this equation 2. Now from equation 1, see minus 3y equals to, we can write 1 minus 5x. Take 5x this side. Again you see this y equals to, we can write 1 minus 5x by minus 3. You multiply this minus with the numerator. You get like this 5x minus into minus plus 5x and minus 1 by 3. This is the y value. So now substituting substituting y equals to 5x minus 1 by 3 in equation 2 or in the equation 2. In second equation, we are going to substitute in the place of y 5x minus 1 by 3. So now we are going to get, now we get like this, 2x in the place of y, 2x plus y equals to, how much we have? 7. But what is y? Go back, what is y? See, 5x minus 1 by 3. See, 5x minus 1 by 3. So let us substitute in this bracket 5x minus 1 by 3. So now the simplify. Here LCM is the 3. 3 into 2x is 6x plus open the bracket 5x minus 1 equals to 7. So this becomes 11x minus 1 upon 3 equals to 7. Cross multiplication takes place. So if you cross multiply, 11x minus 1 is equal to 3 into 7, that is 21. 11x equals to 21 plus 1, that is 22. So we need here x value. Therefore x equals to 22 by 11. So 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja. So 2. So x equals to 2. Now substituting x is equal to 2. Substituting x is equal to 2 in y is equal to 5x minus 1 by 3. So that implies in the place of x 2 write down 5 y equals to 5 into 2 minus 1 by 3. 10 minus 1 by 3, that is 9 by 3 equal to 3. So therefore x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. So we have solved these equations using substitution method. Substitution method. So now the 20th problem. 20th problem. So 20th problem. Solve the pair of linear equations x plus y equals to 1 and 2x minus 3y equals to 2 by elimination method. This elimination method is very important. Generally we use elimination method in all sort of problems. Elimination method. Let me explain the elimination method also. See the solution. Given data, so x plus y is equal to 1. Say equation 1. 2x minus 3y equals to 2. This is equation 2. So what is the elimination method means? First let us eliminate either x or y from the equations, then we can solve it. Now how to solve means, you see, first consider like this, x plus y equals to 1 and 2x minus 3y equals to 2. So now if you want to eliminate y, make the y coefficient as 3. So 3y minus 3y will be cancelled. That means how to make the y coefficient 3? So multiplying the first equation with 3, second equation with 1. So first equation with 3, second equation with 1. So then what do you get? 3x plus 3y. So here 3 into 1, 3 also you need to write. 1 into 2x, 2x. This is 1 into minus 3y, minus 3y. 1 into 2, 2. Just add, that's all. Add means no symbol change. Plus 3y minus 3y cancel. 3x plus 2x, 5x. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So therefore, so x equals to, we get 5 upon 5. So 5 1 ja 1. So x is equal to 1. Now substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 1, we get the y value. Very simple. Now substituting x is equal to 1 in equation 1 or equation 2. Equation 1 or 2. So in the place of x, 1 substitute. 1 plus y equals to 1. Y equals to 1 minus 1, 0. So therefore y is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 1 and y equals to 0. This is the solution. This method is elimination method. So elimination method is very simple method. Okay, tomorrow we shall discuss remaining problems. Thank you, bye bye. So you practice today elimination method and substitution method problems based on, so from your textbook, respective textbooks. Thank you, bye bye, see you.